This video is working on our gradebook project. In this case, we are going to work on the if function. We're going to use an if function to assign a letter grade based on our numerical average. So I've got an average here. I've got an average of 87, and for reference, I've got our grades listed here. For each of these grades, we want Excel to return the letter grade that you see in the right column. So in this cell where we're going to put our letter grade by the if function, we can type our formula. Start off with the equal sign and then if. And double click the if to open parentheses, and we'll start with our logical test. So if D3, that's the cell containing our average, is greater than or equal to 90. That's our highest range. And we want Excel to return the letter grade A. We're going to put that in quotation marks so that Excel will know that that's the exact letter to return. Then a comma, then our next if statement. If B3 is greater than or equal to 80, we want Excel to return a B, again in quotation marks, comma. If D3, if parenthesis D3 is greater than or equal to 70, then a comma, return the value of C, again in quotation marks, comma, and then if, open quotation, D3 is greater than or equal to 0. We want Excel to return a value of F in quotation marks, and now we need to close the parentheses that we opened. So we've got 4 open parentheses, so we need 4 closed parentheses. And you can see how they change color to correspond with the different arguments we have. Once we've got that completed, we press the Enter key, and we see that Excel has returned a value of B. You can test to make sure it's working properly by changing scores here. If we do, instead of a 91, if we had a 70 there, let's go a little bit lower. Let's do a 50 there. Let's see if we change our grade. Let's do a 50 here. Change the grade. About a 50 there. Change the grade. Now that drops us to a C because we're at 78. Let's go to 99 on each of these and see how that affects our grade. Now we're back up to a B. Let's change this one to a 99. And now we have a 91 average, and that changes our score here to an